Innovation promotes development. Technology empowers the future. The ubiquitous automation is constantly improving production efficiency and creating a better life. Zhejiang Danau, focusing on high-pressure water jetting, uses technology to discover the beauty of the city. Founded in 1993, Danau has been in the high-pressure cleaning and plant protection machinery industry for over 26 years. After years of hard work, spurred with long accumulation, Danau becomes a comprehensive cleaning equipment manufacturer for consumer, commercial, and industrial lines. The company has two major factories with a total cover area of 110,000 square meters and more than 600 employees. With its strong strength, Danau has always been at the forefront of the industry and has been widely praised. Technology realizes value and innovation leads future. Danau always upholds to the tenet of innovating products, expanding markets and benefiting humans, and commit to improving the productivity. The company has won a number of honors such as the National High-Tech Enterprise, the National Torch Plant, Zhejiang Famous Brand Products, Zhejiang Enterprise Research Institute, and CE certifications. At the same time, the company collects a group of senior technical talents, their ultimate pursuit of product innovation, resulting in the continuous updating of Danau's high-pressure washer. The company fully implements the lean production mode and equipped with the advanced equipment such as Haas from the United States, Mazak from Japan, Tsugami from Japan, Doosan from Korea, etc. That's setting up a perfect equipment layout covering the whole production process. The automation and semi-automation rate of the equipment exceeds 95%, and the processing capability covers aluminum alloy, brass, and various high-strength stainless steel. We use our practical ability to fulfill our commitment to our customers. We invest more than 10 million RMB to introduce environmentally friendly and energy-saving automatic anodizing line, realizing the standardized and large-scale production that fundamentally guarantees the product quality and production efficiency. The engineer concentrating in one industry and made a fine machine, the craftsman used the constant heart to weave the artifact. Danau carefully crafts every detail to interpret the craftsmanship. Most of the components and core components have realized the piece flow from the blank to the finished product, and self-made rate is over 85%. Excellent quality, born from the inside and appear outward. Every well-made pressure washer highlights the concept and pursuit of Danau. We always maintain a high sense of social responsibility and historical mission to combine the advanced technology and manufacturing ingenuity and constantly pursuing the manufacturing highlands of the high-pressure cleaning industry. Focus on the opportunities, launch new products every year to meet the market development needs. Meanwhile, Danau has established a complete quality inspection system. The whole process strictly controls the quality of products, and the product qualification rate has remained above 95% constantly. We use rigor and concentration to create products and give back to the market with high quality. Danau has established long-term cooperation with many famous domestic sanitation manufacturers. The products are used in municipal sanitation, marine, petroleum, chemical, animal husbandry, mining, and more other fields. The product layout covering multiple industries. There are many agents and distribution centers in various provinces and cities. The products are exported to more than 60 countries and regions. Zhejiang Danau, a more powerful Eastern force, is heading for the world and moving towards the future.